The world of virtual reality can often and undoubtedly be considered a volatile and unpredictable industry that has experienced exhilarating highs and disappointing lows. What once was a standard of measuring the future in itself and is something that should have been able to thrive, scaling equally with technological prowess, what made the state of VR so unstable? When virtual reality burst onto the scene, it ignited a frenzy of excitement and investment. Pioneers like Oculus and HTC promised to transport us into fully immersive digital worlds, revolutionizing gaming, entertainment, and even industry applications. Investors poured billions into the market, with forecasts predicting a staggering $71.2 billion valuation by 2028 for the combined AR and VR markets. However, the honeymoon period was short-lived. Lofty expectations collided with practical limitations, bulky hardware, motion sickness issues, and a lack of compelling content. The once red-hot VR market cooled rapidly, with major players like Google, Microsoft, and even Oculus scaling back their ambitions. The initial wave of enthusiasm withered away when facing the harsh realities of technological constraints. Clunky headsets and controllers made for an uncomfortable and isolating experience, while the lack of captivating, fully fledged VR titles left consumers underwhelmed. As a result, the hype bubble burst, and the industry faced a reckoning, either adapt or risk becoming obsolete. This sobering period forced companies to reevaluate their approach and demand to pave the way for a more measured and strategic path forward. Interestingly, it's the enterprise sector, rather than consumer entertainment, driving much of the VR adoption. Industries like healthcare, engineering, and manufacturing have embraced virtual reality for training simulations, design visualization, and even remote collaboration. This B2B focus has provided a much-needed lifeline for VR technology. The consumer market's response forced companies to shift their attention to the professional market, where VR's immersive capabilities could deliver prime value. In healthcare, VR simulations allow medical students and professionals to practice complex procedures in a risk-free environment, honing their skills before operating on real patients. Architects and engineers leverage VR to visualize and collaborate on large-scale projects, catching potential issues early in the design phase. Even manufacturing firms are using VR for employee training, recreating hazardous scenarios safely to improve workplace preparedness. This enterprise adoption has breathed new life into the VR industry, providing a stable revenue stream and proving its worth beyond just gaming and entertainment. While VR struggles to find its footing in the consumer market, its peer, augmented reality, is experiencing a renaissance. AR, which overlays digital information into the real world, is rapidly gaining popularity across various sectors. From gaming and entertainment to retail and advertising, Arkansas offers a delicate blend that combines immersion and practicality. Brands like IKEA, Sephora, and Warby Parker have successfully leveraged AR to enhance the shopping experience, allowing customers to virtually try on products before buying. This innovative approach not only delights consumers, but also reduces product returns and boosts sales. But it's not just consumer-facing applications driving AR's growth. The industrial sector is actively exploring AR's potential for streamlining operations, maintenance, and training. Boeing, for instance, has implemented AR solutions to assist technicians in complex wiring tasks, to reduce errors and improve efficiency. Field service workers can access real-time data and visual instructions through AR headsets, which minimizes downtime and increases productivity. The financial figures tell a compelling story. The AR and VR market combined is expected to reach a total $71.2 billion by 2028, from $25.1 billion in 2023 at a steady CAGR of 23.2% during the years. This growth trajectory largely owes its success to the tech's versatility, accessibility, and of course, the benefits that span across industries. As technology is scaling with its evolution process, it seems our daily lives and the VR/AR industry are becoming more intertwined every day, carving a future where both digital and physical realities walk the same path. As we look ahead, the lines between AR and VR are blurring, giving rise to a new frontier mixed reality. MR blends delicately between the digital and physical frontier, enhancing the interactive experience, all while not taking a hit on the overall immersion. Major tech giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Meta are heavily invested in MR, with products like the Apple Vision Pro, HoloLens, and Quest Pro taking on new challenges. These devices promise to revolutionize how we work, learn, and play, offering a glimpse into the metaverse, a persistent, shared virtual environment. Imagine being able to collaborate with colleagues from around the world in a virtual office or attending a concert with friends, regardless of physical location. The possibilities are vast and exciting. But innovation isn't limited to hardware alone. Advancements in 5G connectivity, cloud computing, and edge processing are set to unlock new possibilities for AR and VR applications. Real-time rendering, seamless data transfer, and reduced latency will elevate the user experience, making these technologies more accessible and practical. With 5G's high speeds and low latency, immersive experiences can be streamed without any hiccups, eliminating the need for powerful local hardware. Cloud computing will enable complex computations to be offloaded, allowing for more realistic and detailed virtual environments. Edge processing will bring the power of AI and machine learning to edge devices that will be able to enable real-time analysis and adaptation of virtual content. The VR industry may be in an unstable state, but its future, intertwined with the rising prominence of AR and the advent of mixed reality, remains promising. As technology continues to evolve and converge, we can expect these immersive experiences to become more accessible and indispensable. While the road ahead is paved with challenges, the potential rewards are too significant to ignore. The companies, developers, and pioneers who embrace innovation, address concerns, and harness the power of these technologies will undoubtedly shape the future of how we interact with our digital and physical worlds.